So, for you expert collectors out there, you know that there is a recurring issue with Sally and her model. Her correct model should be this one here, which was the 2017 release of Sally with tattoo from the Toys R Us line. But Mattel release this Sally pretty much every single year, and you could tell that it is completely inaccurate and it should be this Sally. But then in 2018 came along a new version of Sally, which is the metallic Sally, which is still inaccurate because it is different to this Sally, but it is also different to this Sally, but not this model of Sally. The Precision Series Sally also shares this model, so yeah, I don't know what's going on there with Mattel. Maybe we'll get a fixed Sally one day where they completely fix our model, but because the factory and that are so completely lazy, we could most likely still be getting this one for the rest of our lives. Who knows? Just let me know in the comments below. So yeah, anyways, today's review is on Metallic Sally. I got this from, I believe, some seller about 2 years ago. Recently got my second one, so I thought, why not do an unboxing and review for you guys. Technically, the second one hasn't arrived yet, but I've already seen packaging, and this one is a bit old, so why not open this one up? So, now onto the box review. We can see Metallica, Mattel Sally, and of course Mattel 3 Plus Special Edition. Of course, there she is. We got her artwork there, which is of course the correct version of Sally. We got the Cars logo. We got the desert background in the back, and we got the Scavenger Hunt line there. Pretty sweet. And on the back, we got some other Scavenger Hunt cars. We've got Florida Ramon, Shannon Spokes, Nick Stickers, and Rex Reveler. Nick Stickers is the only other one that I need open, the same as Shannon Spokes. All the other ones I do have open. You can see some other gibberish on the back, which is not really important. So yeah, I'll be right back with this one all opened up. So here is Metallic Sally all open up. We do not need to include any pictures where Sally was seen in the 3 movies because she is a main character. So yeah, anyways, I've been wanting to open this Metallic Sally up for a very, very, very long time. And I do like this model of Sally. She's even got a new expression, so let's get straight onto this review. So, she's got this new expression here, as I did say already. She's got the Porsche logo on the top. She's got the headlights. Her expression, of course, the only part that's not metallic is her eyes because she's made in Thailand now. Got the mirrors. The hood, still nothing. Pretty cool. You can see my forehead in the reflection. We see the windows, which are different from the original because they're like see-through or opaque, or whatever you like to say. The side of Sally, she's still got the same usual coloured rims, well, the same layout of rims. There's her door. Pretty cool. Here's the back. Carrera. 301 PCE, California. Exhaust pipes. Rear lights. And you can see that metallic baby blue paint all around her. Looks pretty cool. Here is the base. She is made in week 17 of 2018. She was also in the final case of that year with Mike's stock car, Ryan inside Laney, the new Thailand variants. So glad that I finally got my second one. So yep, there is Metallic Sally for you guys. Of course, quick comparison to the original. You can see the difference. And of course, from the different one, she is a different model. So there is 3 different models of Sally out there now, which I'm happy about. So, let me know in the comments below which is your favourite version of Sally. We've got the Thailand China, OG original Thailand version, and then China version from 2007 onwards. Lenticular version number 1, and lenticular version number 2, where their eyes change. And of course, we've got my favourite one of them all, the Factory Custom Sally. Which one do you prefer, the gold or the metallic? I do like the gold. And this is just a custom Herbie Sally. So which is your favourite released version of Sally out there? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you guys are new, smash that like button. Subscribe, because most of you aren't. Videos are not made for kids. And of course, until the next one, peace guys.